morning. It's week number 1. It's officially week number 1, and I am so excited because it's the moment of truth, the time to weigh in. I just woke up, and the first thing I do after I go potty, wash my hands, is to weigh myself. I know some people don't recommend that you weigh yourself every day, but to me, I find it just either encouraging or kind of like, well, I have to um, work a little bit better. And I take it with a grain of salt, not to, um, it does, I try to not let it affect me as much because I know the body weight fluctuates and there's many reasons why that happens, especially for women. But enough of that. Let's go ahead and weigh ourselves. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. 178. 178. 178. 178. 178. 178. So I wanted to show you guys a quick outfit of the day. I'm feeling great. It's Happy Tuesday. Going to the gym. So I got this shirt from Charlotte. No, I got it from Rue 21. And it's just a crop top and has long sleeves, which I like because it covers my arms. And I'm wearing just a cami underneath. And then I'm wearing these leggings from... Mommy, I'm all ready. Okay, I'll be right up. These leggings from Fabletics. I've had these for, I'd say, 2 or 3 years, and they're holding up pretty good. I really like the red and black, and then in the back it kind of like dips down into a V right here. I really like that. And my shoes are Nike Rachis. And yeah, so I got a tip in the comment section to measure myself with a ribbon or with a string. I'm going to use this really long shoestring to measure my waist, just because I guess after a while you stop losing weight so quickly, and just also for encouragement when that happens, to see how much progress I've made. And there's so many ways to measure progress. You can do so by measuring yourself, by taking progress pictures as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and measure my waist, and then I'll keep this hanging up in my closet right there. And if I do feel discouraged at any point, I can come in and see what progress I've made as far as my waist. And then I might measure myself as well. But something that I have been lacking on is taking progress pictures. You know how it happens that you're great at giving advice to others, but then you don't take the advice yourself. That's totally me. I've always said, oh, take progress pictures. That's the best way to measure your progress. Have I taken a progress picture? I think I took one, and it was, yeah. So, gonna go ahead and take some progress pictures today. I'm gonna measure my waist. I'm gonna measure my waist, and then I'm gonna head upstairs and make myself my keto coffee, because that's my breakfast, and then dropping off the kids. So, let me get that done. No sucking it in. So the gym was a total fail. I was not able to go because my kids are going to something called Kids Super Camp, which is basically vacation Bible school, and it's like an all-day thing. So I had to register them, and just the whole process of that took over about 40 minutes. And I'm not going to be all dramatic. It took about 40 minutes for the whole process to be completed. And then I still had to go drop off my son, my other son, the little one. And by the time I was done with all that, I only had about 30 minutes left. So not counting, and that's including travel time. So there's no way I wouldn't have made it to the gym on time and back to work. So instead I went grocery shopping, and I want to do a quick little grocery shopping haul to show you guys what it is that I picked up that is going to help along with the keto diet. Now some of these things I've never tried before, so we're gonna figure it out. And some of these are return favorites of mine, so let's get started. The first thing I want to share is I got 4 of these 1-gallon bottled waters. It's so much easier for me to just measure out the water intake. I aim to drink 1 gallon of water a day. Sometimes I succeed and sometimes I don't. It works really good for me because my day job is a desk job. So I have this right next to me on my desk, and I fill up my water cup as I go through with it. I do like to keep ice in my water cup, and then I leave this out. I don't refrigerate it. And it's easy to carry it around, and I can gauge about how much water I'm drinking. And when I don't drink that gallon a day, or when I don't have it handy, I can totally see a difference. So I picked up 4 of these. I also picked up the big old kahuna of the heavy whipping cream. I usually just get the smaller size, but I've been going through it about one a week, so I definitely want to go with the bigger one. I also picked up some of these olives. I've tried olives before, but apparently they're really good for keto. They have 3.5 grams of fat and 0 carbs, but also it has some sodium, which apparently sodium is very helpful during keto. So I picked these up. I liked it that they're individually packed. Of course, they're a little bit pricier because they're individually packed. You can always just get a jar of them and pack them yourself, but I like them because I can just take them with me if I ever need a snack or something. I can just put one in my purse and I'm good to go. The next thing I picked up is peanut butter. Usually I just get Jif peanut butter, but this time I went with the Santa Cruz Organic Creamy Dark Roast Peanut Butter because of the carbs. So this one has 5 grams of carbs minus the 3 fiber is 2 net carbs. It has no sugar added. The ingredients are just organic roasted peanuts and a little bit of salt. So I definitely want to give this one a try. I've never tried it before. It's going to be my first time trying it, so I'll let you guys know how I like it. And then I picked up 3 tomatoes and 3 avocados. I love avocado. I try to go through 1 a day, so I picked them up with different sorts of ripeness so that they can last me for about 3 days. And the new thing also that I picked up that I've never had before is this broccoli slaw. It was on sale for $1.79. Hello. It is a great deal. And I picked up broccoli and carrots. Ooh, it has carrots. But I think it has minimal carrots, so it shouldn't be too bad. So I'm going to see what I can make with this. I'm going to do some Google. I'm going to try to look some recipes on Pinterest and see what I can find that's keto friendly that I can make with this broccoli slaw. And then I also picked up some sausage, 0 carbs, lots of fat. And one of my favorite things to drink, and replaces my soda, and it gives me like a quick little pick-me-up, like a little something to look forward to when I have my lunch or dinner, is this LaCroix passion fruit. Is it LaCroix or LaCroix? LaCroix. I'm not sure, but these are bomb. I really like these. I've tried passion fruit. I recently tried the cranberry raspberry, and it was bomb skis. It was so good. So I love these. If you can find these at your local grocery store, give them a try. They have lots of flavors. And then I picked up some bacon because this is a staple for keto people. Hello, all fat, yes, and a little bit of protein. So got some of this. And then I picked up some cheese. This one is chipotle cheddar and a habanero jack. I love cheese and I love spice. So this has 0 carbs and 6 and 7 grams of fat. I haven't tried these before, so I'm going to give them a try. And then I also picked up these kind of Kalamata olives in like feta cheese oil type of thing. It looks really, really good. I'm planning on eating them just as is or putting them into a wrap. Speaking of wraps, I also picked this up. This is my first time trying it. It's the Flat Out Light Italian Herb Flatbread. Half the calories and half the carbs. And this has 14 grams of carbs, but if you subtract the fiber, it comes down to 6 grams of carbs. 6 grams of carbs for one flatbread. And you can make a wrap, or I saw here you can make it into a little pizza flatbread, and that sounds really good, but I don't know about the tomato sauce. If I gotta look one up or maybe order one online. So I'll see how this goes. I've never tried them before. And the last thing I picked up was baby spinach. I plan on putting this in my eggs in the for lunch, or just butter it up, or just on the side. We'll see, with some blue cheese dressing and some bacon. Oh, divine, just divine. So this is everything that I picked up during my grocery haul for today. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy, and or maybe I can give you guys some ideas and as to what you can pick up at the grocery store that you might enjoy. Thank you for watching. I just finished making the coleslaw that I bought, and it looks really, really good. I put mayonnaise, apple cider vinegar, olive oil, Dijon mustard, salt, and pepper. I will list all the ingredients and the recipe right over here. Right there. So you guys can go ahead and check it out. I'm also going to include the link to the Pinterest post that I found the recipe in. It looks really, really good. And here is a quick little look of what my lunch consists of. I have 2 pieces of rotisserie chicken wings. I have a tablespoon of blue cheese dressing, half of an avocado, and then I purchased this today. If you saw it part of my haul, you can get that like where they have the olives or homemade hummus. They have like a little section at the grocery store. At least mine does, where you can get like olives and stuff like that, like appetizers. And it's feta cheese with Kalamata olives in some sort of oil. And this is going to be my lunch for today. I am ready to dive in. All right, guys, it's the end of week 1. I'm so happy with my progress so far. I want to thank you guys all for watching this video and for supporting me throughout this journey. Thank you so much, and this is a wrap for week number 1. I'll see you guys on the next one.